Chapter 13. Everyone cleared out of the hallway so we can gather up the cash and put it back where it belongs. But mark my words that this isn't over. We'll find out who did it eventually, so it'll be best that the guilty party step forward at a later time, in private, the coach said as he slammed the office door shut. Wow, said Zoe as she looked at my face. You got your butt kicked. Yeah, I said. Seems like I might be good at that, huh? Maybe I can start a club or something. Emily pulled a tissue from one of her other purses. Maybe it was her lunchtime purse or something. I think it's manly, she said as she started dabbing my bloody lip with the tissue. Her eyes were cute. Sick, said Braden. Get a room. I laughed, but had to hold my side from the pain. Chase, said a student from behind. It was one of the members of the Ninja Clan. That was the most awesome thing any of us have ever seen in our entire lives. It takes a boy to start a fight, but it takes a man to end one. You ended it with so much honor that my face wants to melt off. Cute picture you paint, said Zoe. The boy continued, We are without a leader now. What about Wyatt? I asked. He's a coward that just wants to control people and show how strong he is, said the boy. We need a clan leader like you. Brave, honorable, able to stand up to bullies, not beat them down. I nodded. Ninjas were cool, but this whole thing turned out to be more of a pain than it might have been worth. I smiled with blood in my teeth. I'll think about it. How's that sound? We'll need to know soon. There are rumors of a pirate invasion in the near future. The boy bowed, as did the rest of the clan before turning and walking away. A pirate invasion? What kind of insane school was this? Looks like you might have some friends after all, Zoe laughed. Maybe, I said. That's if I don't get expelled. Nobody knows who took the money, and I doubt the teachers here will make any fuss about it, said Braden. As long as it's back, they're happy. Mr. Cooper opened the door to the office and leaned his head out. He pointed at me and said, Chase, come in here for a moment, please. Am I in trouble? I asked as I wiped my lip clean with Emily's tissue. Mr. Cooper shook his head. No, it's just that you're a bloody mess. The nurse should have a look at you and make sure you're all right. I paused as I glanced at Zoe and my friends. I didn't want to be lured into the office just to be told I wasn't welcome at school anymore, but understood that it might be happening. Look, Wyatt already admitted to the whole thing being his fault. He broke down the second I shut the door, Mr. Cooper laughed. It really is because you're bleeding all over the carpet. What if a parent walked in at this second and saw your battered face? I could probably win a dinosaur-sized lawsuit, I replied. Zoe laughed. Braden didn't. Maybe he didn't get it. Mr. Cooper knocked on the wood of the door. Just get in here. I walked to the office door and pushed it open. I could see the top of Wyatt's head over the front counter. He was sitting in the principal's office, probably waiting for his parents. How funny. A ninja getting scolded by his parents. I turned around to take one last look at Zoe. She nodded at me once, and I returned the gesture. Pushing the door fully open, I stepped into the front office and let it shut behind me. Buchanan School was a strange place, and though it was new and scary, I'm not sure I'd have it any other way. Besides, I think there's a ninja clan that needs a leader. My name is Chase Cooper, and I'm a ninja. The end. A quick update. I just finished my second diary, and it's already available to read. You definitely won't want to miss out on this one. Only a month had passed since my first diary, but in a school as crazy as mine, a month is an eternity. I thought the remarks about a pirate invasion were a joke, but as it turns out, I was wrong. Now my entire school is in danger, and I'm the only one that can save it. Check it out, right here. Diary of a Sixth Grade Ninja 2. Pirate Invasion.